Hi everyone and welcome to TechCham's YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset your iPhone 14. So if you want to wipe your iPhone and start over or start fresh, you need to perform a factory reset. For that, you need to follow the steps in this video. First, go to the settings up here and scroll down, tap on General. And in General Settings, scroll down and find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on it. Here, if you want to factory reset and remove everything, every content and settings here, tap on erase all the content and settings. Here it will show you that items that will be removed from your iPhone. If you're okay with that, simply tap on continue. Again, you see a pop-up message just to confirm that you're ready to remove everything like media, content and settings. So if you're okay with that, simply tap on erase iPhone and it will reset everything to its factory default and remove everything on your iPhone. So when it starts, you can just activate and like the same way when you buy a new iPhone. That's it, and tata, bye bye.